Let's solve some more. Okay. What about solving equations involving natural logs? Like example 5. So let's look at example 5 here. We'll follow its processing to get us ready to solve these types of problems. Now, this is where sometimes you're going to use your rules if you wish. What I suggest is this. Just know that if you raise e to the ln of, say, 1 or whatever, they undo each other. So this results in 1. Again, we'll use the calculator to help us to see that. But if I take the natural log, if I raise e to the natural log of 1, like so, it should be 1. So indeed, they undo one another. Okay, so you can actually do that. You can raise both sides of an equation to any base as an exponent. So let's do this. First of all, let's multiply both sides here by 6. That undoes that fraction. 1/6 with 6, so I get the natural log 5x is equal to 12. So now if I raise both sides, base e, that undoes this natural log, and I'm left with 5x equal to e to the 12th. So x is going to be equal to, divide both sides by 5. Oops. And then we can calculate that. So if we throw that into our calculator here, we got e to the 12th divided by 5. And we get like this giant number, 32,550.96. That's what my calculator gave me. All right, so if you don't like that, like your weight, I don't know, does that make sense? You can go back to your original, plug it back in, and just confirm anytime you get maybe what's a concerning kind of answer like this. But we take the natural log of 5 times this giant number, 32,550.96. And then divide that by 6, or take it times 1/6, and you should see that you're definitely going to get really close to 2. My answer is like 2.0000000000009. That's about as close to 2 as you can get, because the original on this thing was what, right here? That was the original equation. All right, guys, have fun with that. This is the last video for this section I'm going to give you guys. You need to go look at example 6 on your own on page 427, work through that, look at the work that they give you from that very, very long application problem. But yeah, and if you have questions, then ask us in our Google Meet about that one. All right, enjoy. See you guys.